Namaste everyone, my name is Sudhi. You are watching my channel Get Fit with Sudhi. In this video we are going to learn Surya Bedana and Chandra Bedana Pranayama. Pull out your mat, let's move on to practice. Now we will understand how to do Chandra Bedana Pranayama. In Chandra Bedana Pranayama, your inhalations happen with the left nostril and exhalations happen with the right nostril. Your left nostril is closely associated with the parasympathetic nervous system. In other words, it has more cooling effect on the body. This is more beneficial for people who have hypertension or high blood pressure. Let us understand the technique to do Chandra Bedana Pranayama. Sit in Sukhasana, keeping your back straight. Close your eyes and mindfully breathe in and breathe out for a few times. Let us adopt Chin Mudra with the left hand, the tip of the index finger touching the tip of the thumb. Place it on the left thigh. Adopt Nasika Mudra with the right hand, flexing the index and middle finger. Now bend the neck. Close your right nostril with the thumb finger. Inhale deeply with the left nostril. Now close the left nostril with the ring and little finger and exhale slowly through the right nostril. Repeat in this way, mainly focusing on your breath. Remember that you inhale deeply through the left nostril and exhale slowly through the right nostril. Do this as slow as you can and for a minimum of 10 minutes to feel the effect of the pranayama. Keep your back straight and your eyes closed throughout the pranayama practice. In Surya Bedana Pranayama, all inhalations are done with the right nostril and exhalations are done with the left nostril. Surya means sun. Your right nostril is closely associated with the sympathetic nervous system. In other words, this has more energizing effect on the body. It will improve your digestive power and is more beneficial for people who have low blood pressure. In Surya Bedana Pranayama, you close your left nostril and inhale deeply through the right nostril. Once completely inhaled, close your right nostril and exhale slowly through the left nostril. The technique is quite opposite to that of Chandra Bedana Pranayama. Remember that you inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Do this as slow as you can for a minimum of 10 minutes. Make sure you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath throughout the breathing exercise. This pranayama will make your nervous system vigorous and is very ideal for people who have low blood pressure. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. See you next time.